been a while since the last update, but I thought I'd do a quick video and just show you my workshop. And I don't think you've seen this Vanagon Volkswagen T3, as it's called in Europe. I think it's in Europe only. I don't know. In the States it's Vanagon, but in Sweden it's T3. This is kind of my daily driver. My Volvo 240 is my main daily driver. This is really good for hauling stuff around. But in here is my workshop. Ooh, it's freezing today. Ooh. I have an old moped waiting for some restoration here. I have all the parts, and one day, don't know, I also have a Swedish channel, and some projects I will do on that channel, and we'll see. It's quite a decent size here, quite a good, what do you call it, headspace, or more than that. For now I only have my Toyota Corolla from 1978 in here. Sorry. I'm preparing some welding. I've cut out the bad parts here on the floor. I have made this floor pan, kind of. Wait. It's not finished yet. I have to cut here and there and make it a perfect fit, almost. I have also made a small patch here. Where do I have it? Here. So this will go in here. I also made this a few days ago. A new holder for the battery and for the windshield washer. So all that is working now. The washer for the headlights are not working yet, but that's a low priority. For the MOT, this one must work and the battery must be fixed. So the main thing now is a lot of welding, but that will be fun. What more do I have here? I try to organize as much as possible. Here is my grinding and taking away rust section, protection things. Here's some quite neat old school, not sure what it's called in English, maybe a generator. You know, you can make electricity. But this, the next thing on my list here is to take this out the carburetor and take it apart because it's leaking gasoline when I test drove it. I haven't been able to see if I can take out some electricity yet. I get it to run maybe 20-30 seconds, but it's something wrong here with the carburetor. Okay. But I just wanted to make a quick update here on the channel and show you guys where I work on my projects. I will also the empty part here. I will put in a new, it's not new, but for you guys it will be new, a project car, a Volkswagen Caddy MK1. I don't know what it's called in the US. I will show you a picture of it, kind of a Volkswagen pickup truck. Quite cool, and that's a lot of work on it. Okay, and I hope it will not take such a long time for me to make another video, but you never know. Okay, take care, bye bye.